If you want to check whether your Telegram account is public or private, and more importantly, understand exactly what other people can see on your profile, this video will walk you through it step by step. In Telegram, your account isn't just a simple public or private switch. Instead, your privacy is controlled by a set of settings that decide who can see things like your phone number, last seen status, profile photos, and who can contact you. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find those settings and check your current privacy level in just a few taps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside Telegram, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can access your profile and app settings. From here, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several options for your account, appearance, notifications, and privacy. What you want to do next is tap Privacy and Security. This is the section where Telegram lets you control who can view your information and who can interact with you. Now, under the privacy section, you'll see different categories such as phone number, last seen and online, profile photos, calls, and sometimes additional options depending on your version of Telegram. Each one of these tells you something different about how public or private your account really is. For example, if your phone number is set to everybody, then anyone on Telegram may be able to see it. If it's set to my contacts, only people saved in your contacts can view it. And if it's set to nobody, then it stays hidden from everyone except the rules you set below it. The same idea applies to last seen and online. If that is set to everybody, people can see when you were last active. If it's set to my contacts, only your contacts can see it. And if you choose nobody, that part of your profile becomes private. You can also check profile photos to see who is allowed to view your images. This helps you control whether strangers can see your profile picture or only people you trust. Then tap on calls to see who can call you through Telegram and whether you want to allow everyone, only contacts, or nobody at all. If you want to make your account more private, look through each category and choose the strictest option that still works for you. If you want your account to be more open or public, you can allow broader access where appropriate. This is the key thing to remember. Telegram account privacy is based on each individual setting, not one single public or private label. So by checking these privacy options, you're really checking how visible your account is to other people. Take a moment to review each section carefully and make sure it matches your preference. Once you've adjusted everything, you can simply go back, and your privacy settings will be saved automatically, and that's it. Now you know how to check if your Telegram account is public or private by reviewing the privacy settings inside the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick guides just like this one.